So today is Sunday, the most boring day of the week for me. But maybe I'll actually do something because I have no homework. Except I have to do an art project, but like, I don't care. I don't know, maybe I'll hang out with someone and then we're gonna put the tree up. Why do you want to hang out with me? Bitch. Look at him. Leave him, leave him, leave him.
I'm helping you.
Oh, bless you. Yee! 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 Hey, so I'm gonna say good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Vlogmas Day. Oh. I hate when that happens when you drop your phone. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10, and I honestly don't know what the next couple days are gonna be because I'm in school, but I'm only in school for these 4 days, and then I start my break. Technically, I only have 2 weeks, but the week, not this week, but the week after is midterms week, and you only go in and take a test, and I don't have to go in all that week because I do dual, and for dual we take finals, like during the classes because college ends before, and then some of them I'm taking in class, like for guitar and whatever we're doing it in class, and then I'm exempting the other ones, so I don't have to go in at all, so I get 3 weeks break. So hopefully those will be better, but I know these next 4 days are probably gonna be bad. Anyways, good night. Bye.